I'm gonna give an update of the garden. We got a storm moving in, and I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but it's really dark. Starting to rain a little bit. Hopefully all the tomato plants will survive. Give a quick update. Everything's growing good. Supposed to get a lot of rain. I have to pick more tomatoes because some of these varieties split. Some I don't have too much trouble with, but some are splitting because of all the rain. Cucumber growing through the fence there. Chocolate bell pepper in a 3-gallon pot. Basil's growing really good. See, I've got these tomatoes growing in, those are, I think, some are 2-gallon, some are 3-gallon pots. Some people say you can't grow tomatoes in small pots. These tomatoes are doing quite well. Got Ozark pink tomatoes that are 5 to 6 foot tall. They are in 1-gallon pots. You can see they are loaded with tomatoes. I normally wouldn't grow tomatoes in that small of a pot, but I didn't have any more grow bags to plant them in, and so they're just staying in the 1-gallon pots, and I've been picking tomatoes off of them. Got these tomatoes here. Of course, that's an unknown variety, but it's in a small pot. It's 6 foot tall and producing plenty of tomatoes for me. These are 10-gallon grow bags. They're growing and producing the same amount as the tomatoes that are growing in 3-gallon bags. I have them on an automatic water system, but of course with all this rain, I haven't been watering them as often. Pepper plants, these are in 3-gallon grow bags. Basil. This is a 7-gallon grow bag. I've got basil and tomatoes growing in it. 10-gallon grow bag. Lots of tomatoes, lots of blooms. Moringa trees, they're growing good. Got to get them planted in bigger pots. Cherry tomatoes. Greenhouse, need to finish cleaning it out. I've got a lot of stuff in here growing that needs to go in pots or in the ground. We're usually at about 95, 96 degrees outside. Right now the greenhouse is at 77. Thanks for watching, and I'll post back up after this storm passes through.